Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from eLearning Portal. In today's video, I will show you how to add a new user to your iSpring Learn LMS. First, let's go to the Users tab. You will end up on your Manage Users window. Under your Users menu, you will see all the users registered within your iSpring Learn LMS. If you click on Roles, you will see all the roles available. Departments, all the departments available, as well as the groups available. If we click on Departments, we can specify a department here by clicking on New Department, specifying a name, selecting the parent department, as well as providing a department code, and a supervisor and a functional manager. For now, we'll leave it as is. Under groups, we can specify groups here by clicking on New Group and then specifying the new group's name. Let's add a new user by clicking on New User. In the general user information, we need to complete all these fields, especially the compulsory fields. So let's add in first name, your login name is usually your email address, so I'll specify an email address. And I'll copy this email address here. And I'll paste it within the email address, and then I can select a country, I can specify a department. Let's use customer care, and I'll leave the password. Once I'm done, I can also add a role, as well as specify permissions, and I can add this user to a particular group. So I'll add the user to a grade 10 group, and then click on Apply. Can also make sure that this box is ticked to notify the user about registration on the portal. If I'm done, I click on Save. In the user information window, you can specify group membership by selecting another group that this user will belong to. You can also control the access level of this user by specifying or adding a role to the specific user. You can also enroll this user in various courses by clicking on Enroll Course or Enroll in a Training. If you click on Enroll Course, you can select the courses here by typing in the course name or by selecting the various courses and enroll the user in the courses. You can also enroll the user in training by clicking there in the search box and then selecting the training. But more on this in a later video. We can now go back to users, and you'll see there's my newly created user. Now, when you have 100 users, this manual task can become quite tedious. To bulk register users, iSpring Learn has made it quite easy for us to do that by providing a template for bulk registration. So let's click on Export Import and then click on Import Users. In this window, you'll see there are various steps to follow. Step 1, you need to download the import template by clicking on the Import Template Download link. If we click on that, you'll see immediately that it downloads to your computer. Step 2, fill in the template with user information, and I can click on the link to show me how to complete the information. So let's open our template. Immediately it opens, and here are the fields that we need to complete for each user that we are going to register on our LMS. First name, last name, login, password, email, phone, job title, country, role, department. If the user is active, employee, supervisor, employee, functional manager, then the specific group the user belongs to. So these are all the fields you need to complete. So I've completed the template, and now I'm going to save this template and upload it. So our third step will be to select the file and then import the file. Yes, also step 4, set up notification for new users. So send an email invitation to enter the learning portal, and this message will show up in the email that the users receive. I'll click on import. It will now start importing my new users, and you'll see there errors. There were no errors. The results total 4 users. Imported users were 4, updated users were 0, failed to import 0, created 0 groups. Click on done, and here you'll see all the users that were imported via the template. And this is how easy it is to bulk register users in iSpring Learn LMS.